Does one backward pawn really matter in bullet chess? At 1400 to 1500, white fell from 54.6% wins without one to 40.7% with one, a 13.9-point hit. ChessAnalysis.co checked 1,807 bullet games to see when structure starts beating speed. A backward pawn is stuck behind its neighbors, cannot be defended by another pawn, and leaves a square in front of it for your opponent. In bullet, the pawn matters because it forces pieces to defend instead of attack. The first surprise is frequency. Backward pawns appeared in only 28% of 500 to 800 games, but in 52% of 1400 to 1500 games. That does not mean stronger players are worse. It means their games survive long enough for pawn structure to matter. Under 1000, the penalty is small, about 3 to 5 points, because tactics and clock mistakes still dominate. But near 1500, the same weakness becomes a real scoreboard problem, especially when the opponent can fix the pawn and pile up pressure. What if both sides have weaknesses? The data says the count still matters. In the 1200 to 1400 band, when black had more backward pawns than white, black won only 38.6%, while white won 59.1%. Equal weaknesses pulled the game closer to even. The practical rule is simple. Below 1000, do not obsess over structure before tactics. Around 1200, start spotting the target. By 1400 and up, treat a backward pawn as a plan. Fix it, occupy the hole, then attack it with rooks and queen. The study used 1,807 valid Lichess bullet games, grouped into rating bands and mapped to approximate chess.com ranges. A custom Python detector checked middle game positions from move 15 through move 40, counted backward pawns, and compared those counts with final game results.